this is a red one. Okay, I'm gonna put it like way back here. Okay. It's actually kind of a badass variation of this map. Hello. It's not as dark. Slow him down, surely. Surely. Copium. Oh, is he smacking people already? Doing work, Cook? Oh. He jumped out the window. Ah, shoot, he jumped out the window? Dude, does this trap not work on this window or what? It's like the third time. What the fuck is this? Alright, I guess they don't let you do that anymore? Like, that's kind of fucking stupid, but okay. And I feel like they've changed a lot of stuff in this game. I don't really like it. What the fuck is? I snared one. She jumped out the window. Wish my teammates had mics. There's two of them running out front. Cook's slapping their ass. Oh shoot, the generator's off. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, I think the trap outside the window doesn't work anymore. It's fucking stupid. Oh, he died too. Okay. So the trap doesn't work outside the window anymore? Is this what I'm seeing? This is the third time this hasn't worked. Okay, so last time I messed up on this window, so I think I'm going to try to put this a little farther out. This should work, right? Like, there's no way that misses. Oh my god, it's so dark. Oops. Damn, it's so dark, I can't fucking see that. It's crazy. Alright, put our traps down, and then we can go slap some booty in the basement. I am here to help. Julie's going through the big crack. in the middle. Alright, I killed the Julie. Yeah, let it bleed out. I think there was one on Grandpa, right? So it looks like there's probably one upstairs. Yeah, they got the middle door open. One of them, I think, went upstairs. I'm gonna go check. Where is... Oh, it's over there. Damn, it is so dark in here. I cannot see freaking shite. Oops. Nah, whatever. Where'd you scurry off to now? Nope. I'm coming for you. Where is the last guy? Actually doing pretty good here. Got the classic team going. Oh shoot, we got the doors. Wait, did he jump out the window? What the... Is he in the back? So, did he jump out the window again? I don't know if this freaking window is bugged or like what the hell is going on here. Like, I don't get it. Because he jumped out this window, right? Well, he broke it. So he didn't jump out, right? There's just like no way he didn't hit this fucking trap. Do I need to put it back a little bit farther? Like here? Like, I don't understand. Alright, both my traps are still good. I just saw him. Oh, no, that's Leatherface, I think. Oh, he's on Grandpa, okay. I was like, where the hell is this guy? Oh, did you get him? Nice. Lol. GG.